Hello everyone, it's Quinn here, and I'm going to be unboxing these three brand new products from Disney Springs. They sent us them in the mail, and let me just read this card real quick first. It says, "You are invited, introducing Disney Parks Wishables. Let the magic of Disney Parks come to life. Bring these soft, huggable friends to join you on all of your adventures, and see what magic you can make at Disney Springs. We invite you and your followers to the release of the new Disney Parks Wishables collection, featuring some of your favorite Disney characters. This new collection is one that you won't want to miss." It says, "Wear Once Upon a Toy at Disney Springs on April 10th, which is tomorrow at 10 a.m. So if you can make it out there that quick, head on out there. And I guess let's just start opening them. So there's three different ones they sent us. This one's the Disney Foods, which kind of reminds me, they invited us out for the Delish release recently, and there's four different ones you can get. You can get the Popsicle, the Mickey ice cream bar, the Dole Whip, and the ice cream sandwich. All right, let's find out which one we got here. Oh, it's the Popsicle. That's cute. Oh, I like these a lot. They remind me of the I'm not sure exactly what this collection was called, but it has the cute little Disney Parks. Maybe it was like Kawaii, or Cute Kingdom or something like that. They remind me of that, but these are the Wishables. This is the first one. It's really soft. Does it smell? It does not smell, but it should, because it looks like a strawberry popsicle. All right, and then we have, these are Nemo characters. Oh, but there's also, oh, that's cool. It has the ride vehicle from the ride over in California, the Nemo ride. Finding Nemo's Submarine Voyage. The other options are Bruce and Dory and Darla. And it looks like it's the Darla that's in the ride as well. I really like that these are like park exclusive characters instead of, just the regular Disney characters that you could get at maybe like the Disney store. Alrighty. Oh, got little Dory here. So didn't get the Nemo submarine, but maybe I will next time when I get some more, which I'm definitely gonna do because these things are adorable. It looks kind of like Baby Dory mixed with like regular Dory, maybe. It's very soft. Wow, it is very soft, very squishy. And oh gosh, I opened it without even showing you. But this is the Pirates of the Caribbean one. The four different possibilities are the Pirate Parrot, Red, the Skeleton Helmsman, and Jack Sparrow. And we got the the Skeleton Helmsman. Cute. Now I gotta get more so I can get Red and the submarine, and then kind of want the Mickey ice cream bar. Well, I'll have a chance tomorrow, and so will you if you head out to the event, which starts at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So maybe we'll see you there.